Alright, I'm going to start off by creating a new design model seed file, and I want this to go into the same folder where the seed files reside already. So I'm going to copy and paste that up here to set my folder, and then for the file name I'm simply going to call this my AADOT model seed file. Go ahead and save it. And once that is created and opened up, then we'll open the models dialog. And first rename this one to be our design model. So it's our design model seed. Next, we need a drawing model seed. So I will tell it I want to create a drawing model. These are always 2D, and I'm just going to name it drawing. Again, this is going to match up with our config file once we get this all set up. I'm going to go ahead and OK that. So now we have a new drawing model as a seed, and I'm just going to reduce this down to one view and save that. And then next I'm going to create a couple of sheet models. So sheets can be 2D or 3D. I'm going to do 2D only. I'm going to tell it that this is a sheet model, and or I'm going to name it sheet for the first one, and I'm going to tell it that this is a B-size sheet, but we have a lot of other sheet sizes available. Go ahead and select OK, and that will go ahead and set up that model. And then I'm going to go ahead and place a cell for the sheet border as part of this model. So I have a cell library here with a couple of sheets in it. I will go ahead and make that my active cell and place that here in the model. Okay, so there's one sheet model. I need one other sheet model. A lot of agencies typically have two. They have something they call their first sheet, and then they have the detail sheet for everything else. So I'll go ahead and create this first sheet and go back to the place cell tool and place that cell. So now we have a design, a drawing, a sheet, and a first sheet model available to use. Now we need to tell OpenBridge about those. So I'm going to go ahead and close this, and then I'm going to go ahead and open the Bridge Default Standard config file here, and I'm going to copy and paste in the variables that we need to set. So just so you see all of those. So now we have a design seed variable that'll still be our default seed file when we go to create a file, but from the models dialog, if we choose to create a design from seed, a drawing from seed, or a sheet from seed, it will look in this file, and it will use either this variable, or this variable.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. If you want to see more such series, consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you, and see you next time.